gather here once more under the sacred tricolor to celebrate a momentous turning point in our nation's history. On this very day, India's don't just adopt a constitution, a solemn covenant. In politics, we will have equality, and in social and economic life, as Tagore immortalized, as an India where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. In that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. For Osmania University, this day resonates with special significance. We are not merely an institution of learning. We are living testament to India's democratic experiment. Just as our constitution binds together a nation of extraordinary diversity, Usmania University weaves together students from 54 countries. These historic corridors have always embodied what Swami Vivekananda called the manifestation of the divinity already in man. We don't just teach subjects here, we forge character. We don't just impart knowledge, we awaken consciousness. We develop responsible, ethically grounded citizens who will shape tomorrow's India. As I stand before you, having completed 1 year in this sacred trust, I am overwhelmed with pride, not in my achievements, but in what we have collectively accomplished. Our journey has been guided by our mighty pillars: academic excellence, research, infrastructure, and innovation. The illiterate of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read and write. And in the moment that made every Usmanian's heart swell with pride, we became the first state university to develop an indigenous semiconductor chip, a technological leap that echoes the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat. We have appointed women to major administrative positions, ensuring that leadership reflects the diversity we cherish. Infrastructure that enables dream. Our campus is undergoing a transformation that future generations will celebrate. I wish to express my deepest gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister Sri A. Revanth Reddy Garu, whose visionary leadership and magnificent grant of rupees 1,000 crore has breathed new life in our infrastructure. The inauguration of the Dundibi and Bhima hostels and foundation stone laid for the new facilities mark not just construction milestones. Under the 1,000 crores grant, we are planning to build the academic block, research development block, new girls hostels, new boys hostel, multiple sports cater libraries, multiple sports center, library, new health center, sports complex, outdoor sports court, memorial, biodiversity park, convention center. As Weston Churchill once said, success is not a final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Our journey towards excellence knows no finish line. This coming year, we have set audacious goals to transform Usmania University into a global beacon of learning. We will host academic leaders from across India to reimagine the future of higher education. This is our moment to lead the conversation, not just to participation in it. Faculty recruitment, empowerment. A university is only the strong as it is teachers. As APJ Abdul Kalam believed, teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. Employment, generative, embedded entrepreneurships. We are revolutionizing education by launching industry embedded degree programs. Our students will graduate not job seekers but as problem solvers, innovators, and entrepreneurs to lead India's economic transformation. We are committed to the vision of Telangana Rising, Telangana #1, Vikasit Bharat as a developed India powered by world-class universities. As we gauge towards the horizon, let us remember what John F. Kennedy proclaimed: our progress as a nation can be no swifter than our progress in education. The human mind is our fundamental resource. At Usmania University, we are cultivating the foundational resource. Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon which can use to change the world. Every lecture delivered in these hallowed halls, every experiment conducted in our laboratories, every debate held under these ancient trees and buildings, these are acts of revolution. We are sharpening that weapon every single day. But let me also evoke the words of Mahatma Gandhi, who reminded us, be the change you wish to see in this world. Today, on the Republic Day, I call upon each one of you, faculty, staff, students, to pledge renewed commitment. Let us work with unprecedented vigor to build Digital OU 2.0, technologically empowered campus where innovation thrives. Time for transformation, AI-driven education, research. Everyone has to update every day. It is a great kind of challenge. And we have to always conduct the programs and do the research as per the UN 17 SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals. So the quality education and skill-based education is the top priority in the present day context. As I conclude, I want to leave you with immortal words of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru from his Tryst with Destiny speech. The achievements we celebrate today is but a step and opening of opportunity to the greater dreams and achievements that awaits us. Usmania University greatest triumphs are not behind us, they are ahead of us. They rest in the minds of our students, in the dedication of our faculty, in the dreams we dare to dream together. On the 77th Republic Day, let us renew our commitment to the Constitution's promise, liberty, justice, equality and fraternity. Let these not be mere words engraved in document, but living principles that guide every decision we make within these walls. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. May Usmania continue to be lighthouse that guides countless ships to shore. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana, Jai Usmania. Thank you one and all.